Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to attempt to make the Dalgona coffee that is viral in YouTube right now. And here are the ingredients: water, instant coffee, sugar, and milk. In a mixing bowl, I would add in 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons water. And I will use a hand mixer, electronic one, to mix them all together. And this would take me about 10 to 12 minutes to get the consistency that I would like. Sometimes I would stop mixing and scoop out all the little grains of coffee that's on the side. And then I will continue to mix and blend all the ingredients together. For me, the hardest part of making this coffee is the blending. It takes a long time to blend and get the consistency that you would like. One thing I learned about making this coffee is to blend the coffee, the water, and the sugar together with a spatula until using the blender. I think that would help smooth out the consistency of the coffee. We are almost there. I think this is good consistency. Now we can make our coffee. I think for this coffee, you can either drink it hot or cold. This time I think I'm gonna try cold. The first thing I need to do is just add some cold milk. And now we need to top it off with our whipped coffee that we made previously. Before you drink it, all you need to do is mix the coffee and the milk together until it's nicely blended together. This coffee is really good. It's very smooth, creamy, and rich. It feels like you spend a lot of money on it, but it's just instant coffee, milk, and sugar, and water. Hopefully you guys get to try it. Please like, subscribe, and comment below, and I will see you in my next video.